So check this out. My lovely wife is going to be cutting everything up. So I don't want to mess it up, but I already had a head start. Put everything in here. I don't care if you talk, I just don't want my hair to look all shitty.
No, I just think it's funny that you have a hat on.
Well, yeah, because look at my hair. That's why I need to have a hat on, or at least a freaking thing, because look, staff.
Oh my god, I'm about to sleep. Ah!
You're sitting down, how's your foot asleep?
Because I had it crossed over here.
You're on a chair and your feet are dangling, how's it crossed?
It wasn't crossed. It was over here crossed. I was sitting differently and then I let it go and now it's asleep. Because I was on it.
Well, don't sit on your foot.
No shit, mother.
Anyways, welcome back to another video, guys. So right now my wife's pretty much gonna be finishing up these drawings. Check this out.
Strips.
The strips, yeah, pretty much. I mean, this is everybody right here. This is everybody. There's over 400 these little pieces right here. Everybody's name is in here. I did post on my Instagram that I'd be doing a quick Q&A. So I don't want to make this just a 3-minute video. So we're just gonna go ahead and answer a couple questions right here while she finishes up. She's literally almost done. So, are you planning on getting a rear motor mount for your SI? Yes, eventually I will, but not right now. I know it's a mod that I probably should be looking into. I just don't know which one I'm gonna be going to. A lot of people are saying 271 is good. A lot of people are saying Hassport's good. So I don't know. I'm going to be looking around and seeing what my options are before I just pull the trigger on one. How's smog work? You don't smog in California. You go back to stock or you find somebody to smog you. That's it. It's a stock. Where did you get your steering wheel? It is a stock steering wheel, guys. It came with the car. All I did was add the carbon fiber accents to it from Amazon. Will I ever buy a rear-wheel drive car like a 350Z, FRS, or a S chassis, just to name a few? I would love to branch out from the Honda community and get something rear-wheel drive, but if it's not an 8th gen or it's not an S2K, you guys are just not gonna watch it. So I'm not gonna bother doing anything like that anytime soon. How much have you spent thus far on my car? I will be doing a video on that soon. Best gen Civic in your opinion? It's a very vague question because for the best daily Civic, 10th gen. It just does everything you need it and more. Best in looks, I'm gonna have to say the 6th gen, the EM1. That's one of my favorite Civics out there. It's a classic one out there. But the best one for mods and performance, because of everything out there for it, I'm gonna say the 8th gen. What other mods do you have in store for the hatchback, for my wife's hatchback? Wheel suspension, PRO intake, and possibly an exhaust. We do have a Type R exhaust at Hector's house that we might be looking into putting on her car. Because I don't know how an actual exhaust will sound on the CVT. I don't really want it to sound bad, so we don't know yet. Is your dad or wife going to drive the SI on the channel? My dad's going to be driving my car soon. I just need to upgrade the clutch, which is going to be happening soon. And my wife, she just doesn't like being on camera.
Rude. That is not true. Oh God.
All of a sudden, she wants to be on camera. What do you think about black roof wraps? I'll be doing that soon on the car as well. Will you ever return to the 8th gen?
If you know, you know.
TSP Stage 1 or Phereable Tune? You know, Phereable Tune does have a lot more top-end power. TSP does have a little bit low-end power, but Hector has been saying his knock control has been a lot lower than mine, even while I'm running a 1-gallon V85. But we are going to be racing soon, just so we can actually see the power numbers on it. The only advantage I have on him is I have a downpipe and a front pipe, and I also have an intercooler. He still is stock downpipe and stock intercooler. Best power mod to make my 10th gen more fun to drive? Ktuner. Rv6 or 8th gen SI. I would love to get an Rv6, guys, but like I said on my Instagram, you guys are crucifying me if I don't get an 8th gen. Would you ever consider getting a DC2 Integra as your project car? I would love to. There's one sitting at Hector's house that we would love to work on and put it on the channel, but you guys won't watch it. Prove me wrong, but you guys won't watch it. You guys want either 10th gen mods or 8th gen mods. Is an American car coming to the channel anytime soon? What car have I talked about that I wanted? A V8. The Mustang, right?
Yeah.
I've always talked about that I wanted to own a Mustang GT, but no, because the same rules apply. You guys won't watch it. That's enough Q&A. Okay guys, starting from right here, I'm not gonna edit the clip. I am only gonna edit people's pictures of their Instagram, and we're gonna go ahead and go in. We're gonna start from 3rd place all the way to 1st place. So we have all the names right here. And you guys are gonna be hearing Gotham walking in the background. So, would you like to do the honors and pick 3rd place? Third place
goes to
Sain Fizaz. Sain Fizaz.
Yeah. Sorry if we said your name wrong.
What car is that? Let's look this guy up.
Chanclas.
There he is. Go ahead. See if you guys can read that on the channel. But my boy right here, Sahin. I'm sorry if I butcher your guys' names, but Sahin, you won 3rd place, so I'll be reaching out to you after the video. That way you can pick 3 things off of the rgeek.com. Okay, 2nd place. This one right here. Ben Duenas,
Dueñas, maybe?
Duenas.
Ben Dueñas?
Ben Duenas, maybe. Ben Duenas. Yeah, Ben Duenas. This guy right here. He won 2nd place, so he's going to be able to pick a not short shifter, the shift knob of his choice from Acuity or hybrid racing. So I'll be reaching out to you after the video. Okay. 1st place.
I'm like back to the place down.
I'm trying to see who would actually get this one. Eibach Lopez?
Oh.
Eibach Lopez. You won a Ktuner or a hybrid racing short shifter assembly. Oh, look at that. He has an FC1.
Hey.
All right, cool. Well, all right. Eibach, Eric. It says Eric, but your name says Eibach. Eric, your name is Eric, but your name up here says Eibach. Look, see? Eibach, and then his name's Eric. So Eric Lopez, this guy right here. 1st place, man.
I'd call him Eli at this point.
Eli. I'll be I'll be reaching out to everybody out as soon as this video is done.
Words are hard.
Words are hard when there's no editing involved. Guys, I just want to say thank you to everybody that was watching. I wanted to do this as fair as possible. That way everybody feels like they had a good choice. I did do a poll on Instagram. If you guys wanted me, good chance, yeah. I did do a poll on Instagram if you guys wanted me to do a live stream or a unedited video. A lot of you, everybody picked a unedited video, not unedited. And non-edited video. Fuck, hooked on phonics. I need to practice my speech. Yeah. So majority of everybody picked that they wanted me to put a non-edited video here. So I did this whole clip for you guys. But for real, guys, I do want to thank everybody for supporting me since day one. I do really want to keep doing these types of giveaways. I won't be able to do it every single week, but I do want to do these to you guys and reach out and saying thank you for following me and supporting me and just watching all my stuff. So I do have a lot more stuff coming up for my car. I do have a lot of stuff coming up for her car. My sister's Mayada, Melissa. We have parts coming in, and we're gonna do a lot of install videos. That Miata is gonna have a complete transformation, and it's gonna be a series. It's gonna be a build that's gonna be happening within the next couple months. So I really hope you guys are gonna be enjoying that and watch it. I do have a lot of car reviews coming up as well. And speaking on that, if you guys still want to do any car features, if you guys want to link up, if you guys want to do anything, I'm totally down to do that. Right now, I am going to be upgrading my clutch first, and then I'll be reaching out to everybody that I had, not appointments, but that I said I was going to hang out with them and do videos and link up and whatnot. So, yeah, I think that's it. So, anyways, guys, for the people that won, I will be reaching out to you very shortly. I'm going to edit this video, put it on YouTube, and then I'll be reaching out to you as soon as it's live. So,
congratulations!
Congratulations, yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you all for watching, and I hope I see you guys in another one. You guys have a good day. Peace.